सावधान, सिद्ध, ब्रह्मनाथ। शांति शांति शांति।
Hello students, welcome back to my class. Okay, in last class we had updated some notes regarding what promotion stage, or that is formation of a company, and there are 4 stages included in formation of a company. First one is promotion, second one is incorporation, third one is capital raising, then fourth one is commencement of business. Right? First step is your promotion stage. Okay, so the promotion stage, first stage is what? Identification of opportunities. Identification of opportunities. Second is what? Detailed investigation. Detailed investigation. Okay, and these 2 points had already updated in your last notes. Then write down the third stage. Okay, third stage is signatories to the memorandum. SIGNATORI. Signatories to the memorandum. MEMORANDUM. Signatories to the memorandum. Okay, so right, the promoters decide the name of persons to be the promoters decides the names of persons to be the signatories to the memorandum. Signatories to the memorandum of association. Signatories to the memorandum of associations. Full stop. I again repeat, the promoters decide the names of the persons to be the signatories to the memorandum of association. Full stop. Usually, USUALLY. Usually, the first signatories FIRST. First signatories. Usually, the first signatories to the memorandum. Becomes BECOMES. Becomes the first directors. FIRST. First directors of the company. Full stop. First directors of the company. Full stop. They retain, WRITTEN, retain consent. They retain consent. CONSENT is taken. CONSENT. Retain consent is taken and are asked to take asked to take qualifying full stop. Qualifying stage of the company, full stop. Next stage, that is number 4, appointment of APPOINT, appointment of professionals, PROFESSIONALS, appointment of professionals. Okay, write down appointment of professionals. The next stage is of raising, raising funds, 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 full stop. In this stage, comma, the promoters appoint brokers, 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 and underwriters, UNDERWRITERS, brokers and underwriters, to ensure ensure the availability of availability of capital by selling companies apostrophe S security, SECURITY, companies securities, securities होगा, SECURITIES, companies securities, full stop. In this process they also appoint in this process they also appoint solicitors, SOLICITORS, to deal with the legal matters of the company, full stop. Okay, write down in next paragraph what is the meaning of underwriters, right? Write down underwriters is a person, or organization. Underwriter is a person or organization who takes the responsibility for the responsibility for the issue of issue of share capital, or to subscribe the unsubscribe part of the issued capital. To subscribe, SUBSCRIBE, subscribe. The unsubscribed, UNSUBSCRIBED, unsubscribe part of the issued capital, ISSUED, issued capital, full stop. Next point or next phase, deep side heading, preparing necessary documents. Preparing necessary, NECESSARY, necessary documents. Preparing necessary documents. Okay, right? In this stage, promoters prepare various legal documents. In this stage, promoters, PROMOTERS, promoters prepare, PREPARE, prepare various legal documents, to be submitted. Various legal documents, LEGAL, legal documents to be submitted, SUBMITTED, to be submitted to the register, REGI, R capital letter, REGISTRAR, register at the time of incorporation, 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 full stop. These documents include memorandum of, MEMORANDUM, memorandum of association, ASSOCIATIONS, memorandum of association. Next, articles of association, you should write N capital letter, O capital letter and A capital letter. Okay, articles of association. Here also A capital letter, O capital letter, again A capital letter. Okay, articles of association, you can write in the bracket MOA, AOA. Okay, and prospectus, 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 prospectus. Okay, these are the important documents prepared in the first stage. Okay, memorandum of association, articles of association and prospectus, PROSPECTUS, prospectus. Okay, these are your notes regarding promotion stage and the promotion stage of a joint stock company will be discussed in your next class. Okay, update your notes. This is all about your today's class.